Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Fire Friday, March 14th. And in today's video, I have one play for you. But before I go into the play, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow fell 1.3% at 40,813, the Dow. The Nasdaq cratered 1.96% to settle the day at 17,303, further away from 20K, the Nas. Apple closed down 3.3%, $209.68, Apple. The big winner on the day was RGC. The stock spiked a whopping and epic and eye-popping 206% at 1409 on no news in particular. Higher day was 1484. The volume turned up 22 million RGC. Dave's play today is a SP play. This one's in and out. Grab and go, one and move, hit and run. Do not overstay your welcome. Bond.
James Bond.
BON. The stock is up 129% thus far in the pre-markets. Currently trading at $1.69 at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far in the pre is a whopping $6.40. Brand new 52-week high. Pre-market hours trading is very volatile and very risky. A lot of action in this stock. BON. This one stays above $1.51. That's a sign of strength. There's no news out in particular, but we suspect bottom fishing. Stock made a brand new 52-week low yesterday of 73 cents. Buyers swooped in. This one's in the chemicals space and they're headquarters out of China. And you already know the Chinese stocks reputation. They have a propensity to spike for days. They're also riddled with fraud. There's no other way to say it. Please take these numbers with a grain of salt. EON. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of $3 million. The price per sales is 0.07. Profit margin is in the positive. Their profit margin is a positive 1.6%. Their operating margin is a positive 8%. Let me repeat that. Operating margin is 8% in the positive. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 2%. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 1%. This is BON. They have 24 million in revenues. Revenue per share 9.99. Their gross profit is a positive 7 million in gross profit. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 3 million. They have a total cash of a low 80K in cash. Total debt of a high 7 million. Their current ratio is sitting above par. Their current ratio is sitting precisely at 2.42. Their 200-day moving average is $1.72. BON. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bum. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let the upside take care of itself. Trade well, trade responsibly. Have a great weekend and be safe. I'll see you next time. I'm out. Boom, bum. Make your next trade your best trade. Don't forget to donate to the channel, please. Thank you. Place for you to put on your stock list. Purpose of the stock list is for you to do your research on the company, check out their charts, add them to your trading platform on your watch list, and wait for an opportunity to pounce. Okay? The first one, FORD. FORD closed up 7% on Friday at 420. A lot of volume came into the stock. Volume on the day was 3.7 million, okay? Their average volume is 452K. All right? Let's get the tires. FORD has a market cap of 42 million. They have 5 million in the float. Okay, 36% of the float are insiders, 14% of the float are institution, and shorts has 2% of the float. FORD is a earnings winner. Go ahead and check out their earnings report. Okay, let's kick the tires further. They have a revenue of 36 million. Their revenue per share, 3.70. Okay. Quarterly revenue growth is up 16% year over year. Their gross profit is 7 million. Total cash in hand, 2.33 million. Their total debt is 6 million. And their current ratio, 1.57, FORD. Put that one on your stock list for this coming week. The markets are closed tomorrow, okay? So trading will resume on Tuesday. Stock number 2, I want you to put on your stock list for the coming week. TRCH. Torch. The stock is up 26% at 285 on Friday. Okay? A lot of volume came into the stock. This one is a must watch. TRCH. A subscriber touted me this stock a few weeks ago. Alright? The stock has been hot. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 406 million. They have 73 million in the float. 20% of the float are insiders. 14% of the float are controlled by institutions, and shorts has 6% of the float. Their revenue is 319,000. Gross profit is 295,000. And their total cash, 259K. Total debt is a whopping 17 million. Be careful with this one. Their current ratio is 0.11. The current ratio of 1 is at par. This one is way below par, but they might be bailed out. All right. They might be acquired. Pay attention. TRCH. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Pardon the interruption. You could go back to your Valentine's festivities and activities. Okay? Do remember to follow me on Twitter at DuppyTeeth, where I give out my stock alerts. If I see anything extraordinary, I'll tweet it out. Okay?